the EndSARS matter no be small thing, no. It don't go another level. Now, this is the time where we say there is no discrimination, no relegation. You understand? No segregation. You understand? No denomination. Everybody now you are one, because this is the time where we say everybody will come together and fight. Waiting make me want to this thing, native doctor don't still come out, protest. They talk EndSARS. You know what even touch me now? What the native doctor they talk? One I watch the video where native doctor come out. Even some clergy, you know, all those white garments. You say white garment. I've been a Catholic. I don't even know that a white garment or not a Catholic. I don't know, but I don't say the person wear white. It still come out. Understand? Still protest. One I watch the video. Essentialmente. Now, the native doctors don't come out. You get what I even like they talk. In Jesus' name. In Jesus. Just imagine native doctor. Now, you know why native doctors they come out? Because they don't discover, say, kind the cause. Even the gods self, the gods they verse say kind don't high. The gods they verse say evil cock, you know, fowl, goat, everything that call the cause. You understand? Even the gods are angry. The gods are angry. Understand? Native doctor constantly verse come out because everything don't they hard. Candle now to buy candle no be small thing. Now native doctor still verse come out because it is still pay native doctor. You know they see customers again. It don't pay native doctor because this is the time where everybody go come out. Come out because this is a government. Because president not did that country. Because they must somebody come there. The president is dead long time ago. When they talk this thing, people don't want to know. People don't want to know. I remember I post something 2017. I post something 2017 about the death of Buhari. Then I can't do the sticker. When I post that, my brother called me. Don't you ever try that again? Remove that now from your face. No, they just talking about I obey him because my brother, my elder. Then I remove her. But now look at now. Everybody now they shout, that is not Buhari. That is not Buhari. That is not the one. That is why you see that. Since when most of you know me, I'm not going to see anybody say I post for my Facebook, say, this person ROIP, this person ROIP. I know why. Because when I post Buhari that time, I know how people they attack me. That I never they do mock news. I just post that. I think that was 2017. I just post that. I know how about they tell me remove that thing from the. You know, what they try to talk, make everybody come out. Now the Pentecostal pastors, I know no be someone Christian pastor. This will not be time of during Sunday service. EndSARS, no, come out. Lead your members from. We are talking about peaceful protest. Lead. I have noticed one thing. The protest will be say I don't experience. Protest I don't experience. I not see pastors there. If I say pastors, I not see them. Which is very wrong. Some protests will be say I don't experience. See, whether you live abroad or you live in Nigeria, nobody is exempted. Whether you are a pastor or you are a native doctor, nobody is exempted. Everybody. See, in this kind of thing, I know to know they respect this thing now. I know to know they respect. If I know they respect, they don't pay. Nigeria for don't change. Because now they pray pass. And Nigeria they pray pass. And Nigeria they fast and pray pass. Nigeria will be say you will see pastor will be say if they go mountain, spend 40 days for mountain, they fast. No be fasting and prayer. People they say pray for Nigeria. This one no be matter of prayer. This one a matter of action. Action speak louder than words. Words in prayer, but action in your active. Understand? Being active. I have seen some people. Some only few. Will be Christians, say ministers. Let me say ministers. Only few where I see for this protest. But some will say they don't go deep. I want to talk. I don't feel say holy minister. No, some deep ministers and pastors I didn't see them. See, I don't care whether anybody dey vex for what they talk, but na truth wey I dey talk. Go out to protest, no be to comot from house, carry one man take come out say I dey vex. No, to protest na to tell people say wetin dey go on for my country, make dem stop the corruption, make dem, you know I go there go fight, no be to go make sacrifice, but to speak with your mouth. That is what God need, no be prayer. Pray in your altar will not work. I'm sorry. Stand for altar, they pray. No. Come out and act. If native doctors go physically come out, celebrities go come out. Even many people, many organizations for Nigeria come out to protest. What are we, the pastors, doing? Make we come out. Lead your members to the street. No fight. Tell them for church, say no carry stone, no carry anything, don't insult anybody. Just carry the banner and do right up, hold on. Lead them to the street. Protest. You'll see a better Nigeria. No, if you stand for church, that will not work anywhere. Otherwise, maybe the day will be say my city will still come out. Everybody go stay in house. From there they say, hey, we'll do social media. No. But even when Oyibo can even say yes, now still come out, they'll still join now. Those ones will be say that they are abroad, that they outside Nigeria. Let the pastors also come out, do protest, a peaceful protest. Because this time around, we are fighting for ourselves, we are fighting for the, for the military, and we are also fighting for the betterment of the country. No be told we say we want to say yes, I'll be bishop. You dey inside house, we say you dey pray. Your prayer will not count like that. The only way your prayer can count is when you go out and join them, do what they are doing. Many people don't go like this thing where I talk. Now, truth where I talk. People go still come attack me, but I don't mention name. I don't criticize any pastor. But any pastor coming online talking about answers while you are sitting in your office, and you know, if you tell your members, okay, so day like this on Sunday. On Sunday, we can sacrifice also during service. Then let's just walk out. Even for our street, go out and go out. Maybe just take and say, so church like this, come out with his member, also protest. But not be to do it for inside church. Or to they make prophecy for inside church. Now, what I want to talk, now be that one. No. You understand? I beg. Make everybody come out. This one, the time when we say, we put end together and work as one. So that as we they talk peace and unity, you know, when they talk about Nigeria, we not say yes. We really work according to what they talk about Nigeria. But when you see now, the Christians, the Muslims, you know, the religious in Nigeria, they're not there together, and you they expect make Nigeria better. Because this one they say we're supposed to hold our way. You know why? The Yahoo now they protest. Because they talk say make Nigeria end, make police end, so they will see chance till they do their wickedness. We will dey close that because it will still affect us. So not knowing that after service, those people they go see they go stop your members for road, attack them. Prevention is better than cure. So many people now they even Biafra now see they do their own now to make sure say Nigeria divide. And when they talk about love. This one say we need Biafra, we need Nigeria, we need Biafra, we need Nigeria. You talk about love. I beg, men of God, Pentecostals, pastors, come out and protest. Ministers, come out and protest. This one is not against the Bible. It's not against the Bible. I always they talk. We will they talk anything we not the Bible. We will not they do. We will say with the shit. If the writer for Bible say person go toilet go shit, no, they're not writer more. I beg, no be. I don't say yeah, no be everything where they not put for Bible, no be what they do. But this protest what they do is not against the Bible, now to bring the betterment of the country. If you know what they talk, this president who they talk now, he know they exist. President don't die since 2017. President Buhari not they exist. He not they. Now me as you go join story to make sure say that imposter where they that seat. He come up for there. President, he don't die since. Now, what I want to be that one. No. My people, subscribe to Agbon's TV. on YouTube and follow me on Instagram, Facebook page, Agbon Steven. Thank you very much.